How to put two pictures together in Canvas. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. First of all, open up your Play Store, tap on source icon and tap on the source bar. Now type Canvas and click on source. Now make sure to update to the latest version. Now wait for the update to finish and click on Now once the update is installed, tap on open. Now tap on the plus icon. Now scroll to the right on this menu. Now select photo collage. Now tap on gallery and select your photos. Now tap on add to page. Now adjust the photo to merge together. If you want to save this, tap on the download option. Now wait for some time. Now select save to my files. Click on save and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.